क्या तुम होश में हो? आर यू कॉन्शियस? आर यू कॉन्शियस? यह तुम क्या बोल रहे हो? वॉट आर यू सेइंग? वॉट आर यू सेइंग? तुम बहुत बड़ी गलती कर रहे हो। यू आर मेकिंग अ बिग मिस्टेक। यू आर मेकिंग अ बिग मिस्टेक। बस बहुत हो गया। दैट्स इनफ। दैट्स इनफ। अब मैं और नहीं सुन सकता। नाउ आई कांट लिसन एनीमोर। नाउ आई कांट लिसन एनीमोर। तुम बहुत बोल चुके। You have spoken a lot. You have spoken a lot. अब मेरी बात कान खोलकर सुन लो। Now listen to me carefully. Now listen to me carefully. भाड़ में जाओ। Go to hell. Go to hell. मेरे सामने मत आना। Don't come in front of me. Don't come in front of me. मुझसे कभी बात मत करना। Never talk to me. Never talk to me. उसे जगाओ। Wake him up. Wake him up. स्कूल के लिए देर हो रही है। Getting late for school. Getting late for school. स्कूल का टाइम बदल गया है। School timings have changed. School timings have changed. सब कुछ बदलेगा। Everything will change. Everything will change. कुछ नहीं बदलेगा। Nothing will change. Nothing will change. सब चीजें ऐसे ही चलती जाएगी। Everything will continue like this. Everything will continue like this. हमें ही बदलना होगा। We ourselves have to change. We ourselves have to change. हमें अपनी सोच बदलनी होगी। We have to change our thinking. We have to change our thinking. चलो जाओ। Let's go. Let's go. अभी इसे करो। Now just do it. Now just do it. बहुत हो गया। Enough is enough. Enough is enough. अपना मुंह बंद रखो। Keep your mouth shut. Keep your mouth shut. मुझे सोने दो। Let me sleep. Let me sleep. मुझे नींद आ रही है। I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ। I am going to sleep. I am going to sleep. अब तुम्हारी आवाज नहीं आनी चाहिए। Now your voice should not be heard. Now your voice should not be heard. बकबक मत करो। Don't chatter. Don't chatter. भगवान पर विश्वास करो। Believe in God. Believe in God. सब ठीक हो जाएगा। Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. स्थिति को बदलने में समय लगता है। The situation takes time to change. The situation takes time to change. उसे अंदर जाने दो। Let him go in. Let him go in. तुम उसे अंदर क्यों नहीं जाने दे रहे? Why aren't you letting him in? Why aren't you letting him in? क्योंकि उसके जूते में कीचड़ लगा हुआ है। Because his shoes are muddy. Because his shoes are muddy. ओह अच्छा तो ये बात है। Oh, so this is it. Oh, so this is it. जाओ जाकर पहले अपने जूते धो कर आओ। Go and wash your shoes first. Go and wash your shoes first. फिर मैं तुम्हें अंदर आने दे सकता हूँ। Then I can let you in. Then I can let you in. कोई भी कोशिश कर सकता है। Anyone can try. Anyone can try. यह सबको खुली चुनौती होती है। This is an open challenge to everyone. This is an open challenge to everyone. मैं इस चुनौती को स्वीकार करता हूँ। I accept this challenge. I accept this challenge. सब मुझे दुख देते हैं। Everyone hurts me. Everyone hurts me. कोई मुझे सुख नहीं देता। No one gives me happiness. No one gives me happiness. मेरी जिंदगी दुखों से भरी पड़ी है। My life is full of sorrow. My life is full of sorrows. अपना लक्ष्य याद रखो। Remember your goal. Remember your तुम्हें अपने लक्ष्य नहीं भूलना चाहिए। You should not forget your goal. You should not forget your goal. हार में जाए दुनिया। The world goes to hell. The world goes to hell. इसे जल्दी बनाओ। Make it quickly. Make it quickly. मुझे भूख लग रही है। I am feeling hungry. I am feeling hungry. मुझे प्यास लग रही है। I am feeling thirsty. I am feeling thirsty. मैं कुछ नहीं कहूँगा। I will not say anything. I will not say anything. जैसी आपकी मर्जी। As per your wish. As per your wish. आप अपने तरीके से कर सकते हैं। You can do it in your own way. You can do it in your own way. आपको कोई नहीं रोकेगा। No one will stop you. No one will stop you. अब यह आप पर है। Now it's up to you. Now it's up to you. कितने समय में हो जाएगा? In how much time will it be done? In how much time will it be done? और कितना समय लगेगा? How much more time will it take? How much more time will it take? इसे जल्दी पूरा करो। Complete it quickly. Complete it quickly. मैं ज़्यादा देर तक इंतजार नहीं कर सकता। I can't wait much longer. I can't wait much longer. मुझे इंतजार करने से नफरत है। I hate waiting. I hate waiting. मैं हमेशा अपना काम समय पर करता हूँ। I always do my work on time. I always do my work. मैं फालतू में कोई बात नहीं सुनूंगा। I will not listen to anything unnecessary. I will not listen to anything unnecessary. मुझे आपका अंदाज पसंद आया। I like your style. I like your style. इस सोच के साथ हम आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते। We cannot move forward with this thinking. We cannot move forward with this thinking. आप काफी दिलचस्प इंसान हैं। You are a very interesting person. You are a very interesting person. आपके बारे में काफी सुना था। I heard a lot about you. I heard a lot about you. आज आपको देख भी लिया। Even saw you today. Even saw you today. मिलकर बहुत अच्छा लगा। It was great to meet you. It was great to meet you. मैं आपसे मिलना चाहता था। I wanted to meet you. I wanted to meet you. आपके पास कब समय होगा? When will you have time? When will you have time? आप मुझे कब मिलोगे? When will you meet me? When will you meet me? मुझे आपसे बहुत जरूरी काम है। I have very important work for you. I have very important work for you. क्या हाल बना लिया है तुमने अपना? What situation have you created for yourself? What situation have you created for yourself? तुम्हें सुबह जल्दी उठना चाहिए. You should wake up early in the morning. You should wake up early in the morning. तुम्हें सुबह गर्म पानी पीना चाहिए. You should drink hot water in the morning. You should drink hot water in the morning. इससे तुम अपनी सेहत में फर्क देखोगे. With this you will see the difference in your health. With this you will see the difference in your health. चलो शुरू करते हैं. Let's start. Let's start. कुछ नया सीखते हैं. Let's learn something new. Let's learn something new. चलो कहीं चलते हैं. Let's go somewhere. Let's go somewhere. मजे करो. Have fun. Have fun. चलो खेलते हैं. Let's play. Let's play. शायद तुम सही हो. Maybe you are right. Maybe you are right. मुझे तुम्हारी बात मान लेनी चाहिए. I should agree with you. I should agree with you. मैं फायदे में रहूंगी. I will be in profit. I will be in profit. मैं शहर से बाहर हूँ. I am out of town. I am out of town. क्या आप मुझे कल मिल सकते हैं? Can you meet me tomorrow? Can you meet me tomorrow? मुझे बहुत जरूरी काम है. I am very important work. I have very important work. मुझे परेशान मत करो. Don't bother me. Don't bother me. तुम मुझे परेशान कर रहे हो. You are disturbing me. You are disturbing me. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. मैं उसे दुखी नहीं देख सकता. I can't see him sad. I can't see him sad. वह मेरे जिगर का टुकड़ा है. He is a piece of my heart. He is a piece of my heart.